Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I got here my 2022 CB500X and I'm going to be installing this rally raid skid plate I took off of my 2020. Let's get to it. Here's everything that comes in the kit. We got the rear mount, the side heat shield, the front guard, the skid plate, and our mounting tabs. The first thing I need to do is remove this stock heat shield with the 5mm Allen key. I've taken the rubber grommets and the metal spacers out of our plastic stock heat shield and installed them in this new stainless steel heat shield. Now I can install the new heat shield like so using the stock bolts. Now we can get the skid plate ready to mount. Put your mounting tabs on each side and just leave them hand tight for now. And then install your 10 mils that will hold on your front guard. The mounting tabs are different. As you can see, there's an R there for right side and an L on the other side. Make sure you have them on the right side. As you can see, they are spaced out differently. Next, on the bike, I'm going to remove these 14mm engine mount bolts and take out the spacer from between the engine and the frame on both sides. Now I'm going to lift the skid plate up into position and install the rear mount from the left side of the bike through the center stand mount. And then I'll secure it with this 8mm bolt and 10mm nut. Next, I'm going to rotate my skid plate up into position and install these tabs here between the motor and the frame where the stock spacers were. And then I'm going to use the stock 14mm bolts to secure it. Once I've tightened up the 14mm engine mount bolts, I'm going to tighten up the 17mm bolts below them. Don't forget to tighten up the 8mm bolt on the rear mount. Here you can see how I have the rear bracket installed. Through the center stand mount, with the 8mm going through the hole in the skid plate. All that's left to do is slide our front guard in and tighten up the 10mm bolts securing it in place. When it's time to do an oil change, all you need to do is loosen up the 3 10mm bolts holding on our front guard here, slide it out of place, and then you can remove the oil filter. And just like that, our Rally Raid skid plate bash plate is installed. This is the only bash plate on the market that actually offers some serious protection for the bottom of the motor, and it is needed. Make sure you go around, double check all the bolts, make sure they're tight. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my Rally Raid skid plate install on the Honda CB500X. Ride safe.